Do you wish you could view, control, and use your hybrid and multi-cloud environments through a single pane of glass? Hi, I'm Jennifer Zarate. Join us as we share how Azure Arc is making this a reality. In today's mixed on-prem, cloud, and multi-platform environments, having visibility to monitor, deploy, and operate across your organizational environment can prove challenging. Azure Arc is an exciting set of technologies that brings Azure security and cloud-native services to hybrid and multi-cloud environments. With it, you can secure and govern infrastructure and apps anywhere, build cloud-native apps faster, and modernize your data estate with Azure Data and Machine Learning services. Let's take a look at two groups who will benefit tremendously from these capabilities. The first group is IT professionals. Azure Arc is baked natively into Azure. It extends off of a control plane in Azure that is already powering millions of operations a day. Azure Arc unlocks all of the governance, policy, and automation tooling used in Azure for managing cloud-based resources so that you can now use these powerful technologies to help you with your on-premise resources as well. You can choose containers, VMs, on-premise infrastructure, or public cloud-based infrastructure. Azure Arc brings all of them together. This allows IT pros to get incredible control over understanding where everything exists in their environment through single pane of glass management. This provides the ability to secure and govern your infrastructure and apps anywhere. Centrally manage a wide range of resources including Windows and Linux servers, SQL Server, Kubernetes clusters, and Azure services. Perform virtual machine lifecycle management for your Azure Stack HCI and VMware environments from a centralized location. Meet governance and compliance standards for apps, infrastructure, and data with Azure Policy. Delegate access and manage security policies for resources using role-based access control in Azure Lighthouse. The second group is developers. Azure Arc makes Azure available so that developers can harness powerful Azure tools everywhere. Developers can build cloud-native apps anywhere, at scale, and get the following benefits. Get up and running immediately with your existing tools and practices, including GitHub, Terraform, and Visual Studio. Reduce errors with consistent policy-driven app deployment and cluster operations at scale from source control and templates. Right to the same application service APIs that can run consistently on-premise across multiple clouds and in edge environments using Kubernetes. Save time and reduce admin tasks by using purpose-built Azure application and data services in your architecture. The key takeaway is Azure Arc makes life simpler. To get help with putting Azure Arc in place in your organization, check out our service and technology partners by following the link on the screen. Our Azure Arc partner ecosystem offers customers validated, enterprise-grade solutions to run Azure on premises and at the edge. The Azure Arc network of trusted partners is supported by industry-leading OEMs, hardware providers, platform providers, and ISVs. If you want to learn more about the ins and outs of Azure Arc, go to azurearcjumpstart.io. There you can find training tools, technical documents, and other helpful information to get started with Azure Arc.